Hello, word listeners. Welcome back to another episode where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and today's word is decision. Decision is a noun, and at the A2 level, it means a choice that you make. It's the act of deciding something. So, what exactly is a decision? Well, it's the process of choosing between two or more possibilities. It's when you weigh your options and pick the one that you think is best. We make decisions all the time, from small ones like what to eat for breakfast to big ones like choosing a career path. A decision is a result of thinking and considering different possibilities. Now, let's explore some synonyms for the word decision. A good synonym for decision is choice. For example, instead of saying I made a decision to go to the park, you could say I made a choice to go to the park. Another synonym is option. This is slightly different because option refers to the possibilities you have before making a decision. But you can say going to the beach is my option today. Another synonym we can use is resolution. Resolution often implies a firm decision to do something, especially to improve oneself. For example, my New Year's resolution is to exercise more. Another synonym is conclusion, mostly used when you make a decision after some consideration or research. Like, my conclusion after analyzing the data is to invest in the stock. Finally, a synonym is judgment. It's like forming an opinion after careful thought and then making a decision, such as the judge delivered her judgment in the case. Okay, now let's talk about antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of decision. One antonym for decision is indecision. Indecision means being unable to make a decision. For example, his indecision caused him to miss the opportunity. Another antonym is hesitation. Hesitation is a delay or reluctance in making a decision. So you can say after some hesitation, she finally agreed to help. Another antonym is doubt. Doubt means a feeling of uncertainty or lack of conviction. You might experience doubt before making a decision. For example, he had some doubt about the plan, but eventually he agreed. Another antonym can be ignorance, which means a lack of knowledge or information. Ignorance can prevent someone from making an informed decision. For example, due to his ignorance on the subject, he made a poor decision. Another antonym is irresolution, which signifies the state of being unable to firmly decide on something. Like, her irresolution caused delay in implementing the project. Now, let's look at how we use decision in everyday life. Imagine you are at a restaurant. The waiter asks, "Have you made a decision?" This simply means, have you chosen what you want to eat? Or, think about choosing what to wear. You might say, it was a tough decision, but I finally picked the blue shirt. Here are some more examples of decision in sentences and phrases. Making a big decision can be stressful. The decision is yours. I respect your decision. He regrets his decision. The company made a controversial decision. What's your final decision? She struggled with the decision for days. The committee will make the decision tomorrow. It was a difficult decision to make. I support your decision, whatever it may be. That was a wise decision. He changed his decision at the last minute. We need to make a decision soon. The decision depends on the weather. It's an important decision that will affect everyone. Think carefully before making a decision. She is good at making quick decisions. This decision will have long-term consequences. Trust your gut feeling when making a decision. I trust her judgment in making these kinds of decisions. I'm having trouble with a big decision right now. The decision to move was difficult but necessary. The jury reached a decision after several hours of deliberation. The CEO will announce the decision at the 10 a.m. meeting tomorrow. This decision will impact the future of the company. The board of directors reached a unanimous decision. His rash decision had negative consequences. Delaying the decision only made things worse. After much deliberation, she arrived at her decision. The decision rests with the manager. He explained the reasoning behind his decision. He based his decision on available evidence. Her decision surprised everyone. The decision was met with criticism. It's not an easy decision to reverse. The final decision is subject to approval. Don't let others influence your decision. This decision requires careful consideration. I'm comfortable with my decision. The weight of the decision rested heavily on him. I admire your ability to make tough decisions. The decision to pursue higher education is a significant one. He made the decision to quit smoking. She made a life-altering decision when she chose her career. The team debated the merits of each decision. The pressure to make the right decision was intense. He deferred the decision to a later date. The decision was based on a cost-benefit analysis. She regretted the decision immediately. It was a split-second decision. The decision was appealed by the opposing party. So, to recap, decision means a choice that you make. We talked about synonyms like choice, resolution, conclusion, and judgment. We also explored antonyms like indecision, hesitation, doubt, ignorance, and irresolution. We also saw how decision is used in everyday conversations and common phrases. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful. If you enjoyed this podcast, please subscribe so you don't miss future episodes. And if you have a moment, please leave us a review. Your support helps others find the show, and that's a big decision that you can make to help us. Now, for your homework, create your own sentence using the word decision and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to read your sentences. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the English language.